Enjoy the footage coming up, or maybe you already saw it, or maybe a little flash now, and then you're back. Or is it gonna look really stupid if we didn't put anything in there? Yow! You can just sit right in here. Wait a minute. If our fenders fared better, see if our fenders fared out better than they, and then we were able to just bring that in and crimp it up. Oh, it's going sideways.
Just the claps.
Bam! Clap!
No, it starts
too many claps.
Starts his video.
Okay. All right, we have a little countdown clap. Nope, no more claps.
Oh, I get to do the clap this time.
Oh boy,
That means you have back boobs.
No, I got shoulder blades.
You have back boob marks.
Yeah, shoulder blades.
we're recording.
What are we doing?
What are you?
You haven't talked.
Stop talking.
Just wait till I'm done talking.
And then do what? I don't know what you want me to say.
You're the notifications guy.
Oh, I'm the No, I wasn't the notifications guy. That's the
last
subscribe. Okay, I'm notifications.
Your notifications.
Shush.
Should I turn them on?
Like, subscribe, share, notifications. Wait for the pause. Okay.
Rumpus time is over.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Walking? Who did that walking? Was that you?
That was me.
Unprofessional. Unprofessional. You're fired. Welcome back to the channel. Oh, the Snuggle Puggle. Can't say that. Can't say Snuggle Puggle. Tracking. Dog tracking going on in the. Dog tracking going on when. Dog tracking going on. Don't be messing with my trailer alignment with all your cowboy crap.
Action.
Fenders. So I ordered these standard fenders from Amazon there. Hey yo, voice. We made sure all the the technical terms that escape me at this time. Hey YouTube, we're here with the upgrades for Rob's
1.0.
Okay, look. It's like 6 foot, 7 foot.
That's like close to 10 feet there, bud.
12 feet. You're still wrong. This is 30 foot.
No, this isn't a 75-mile-an-hour highway.
Alright, we'll stop at the next 75.
Get out and lay down.
Down on 40. Hold on.
They all gotta be where you want to look.
We'll stop at the next.
Don't do that. These are expensive fenders.
They're trash fenders.
They were like $25 a piece.
Boom, boom.